Top 6 advantages of aluminium window grills.
Dear friends, we find window grills in almost every home and office. They are used as dividers, barriers, or for decorative purposes. Window grills can be made from wood, stone, aluminium, or other metals. Among these, aluminium grills are much popular as they are durable, good in strength, reusable, and require less maintenance. There is an increased demand for aluminium window grills due to a variety of reasons. Let's have a look. Security. The use of aluminium window grills adds security to your home and office properties. They are not easy to break. It is obvious to see a glass window smashed down in a few seconds and your property was stolen. But aluminium safety grills on windows ensure that your glass or standard window does not interfere. Decoration. Since the old decades, the decoration and appearance have been propelling people to go for designer window grills. A decorative design on windows always looks appealing and adds to the ambiance of the house. As the aluminium metals are easily joined to each other, the window grills can be designed in traditional artwork or with the latest patterns. Additionally, it comes with a silver or dull gray appearance, which makes it elegant for a contemporary look. Rust resistance. The aluminium is a rust-proof metal. Unlike iron and other metals, aluminium does not corrode when in contact with water. This makes them long-lasting. Lightweight and durable. Aluminium window grills are lightweight. They do not exert pressure on the concrete like other metals, which resultant increase the durability of windows and grills. Fire protection. Aluminium is a non-magnetic metal and does not ignite easily. Low maintenance. Compared to other metals, aluminium grills require low maintenance. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.